What's up guys? So ngayon ay 3 days out ng WNBF Guam. Papunta na kami ngayon sa Manila kasi tomorrow evening yung flight namin going to WNBF Guam. So magja-judge tayo doon, support tayo sa show nila doon. So may mga Pilipino din na magko-compete for WNBF Guam. So tignan natin kung paano yung magiging experience natin going to Guam. Kasi first time ko din pumunta ng Guam. And nakaka-excite kasi madami daw mga Filipino or malaki yung Filipino community nila doon. Yung natural bodybuilding doon is nagsisimula pa lang talaga. Kaya samahan nyo kami and kilalanin din natin yung mga malulupit na organizers and athletes ng WNBF Guam. Kita-kits, let's go! Yun guys, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa Manila. So, maybe this will be the last workout for this week. Kasi pagdating natin sa Guam, I think least priority na si workout pagdating doon. Kung may mga activities na kailangan gawin, yun muna talaga yung iisipin natin. And ngayon, mag-workout muna tayo kasama sina Lawrence, sina Sarah, sila Lance, and yung mga ibang athletes ng team. So, check lang natin sila kasi si Sarah at si Lawrence ay lalaro ng Taiwan. Subok lang guys. So, hindi kami nag-expect. So, subukan lang namin lumaro doon. Ito si Sarah, late na namin na pag-decide na maglaro siya doon. And yun, sana guys, supportahan nyo kami kasi kahit yung mga prayers nyo lang, magiging masaya na kami sa support nyo. And magbabakasyon na rin kami doon kasama yung mga ilang members ng team. Excited ako sobra. Kung mataas yung standard na pinuntahan namin nung nasa Hong Kong, I'm sure mas mataas din yung standard ng mga athletes from Taiwan. Kumbaga, ang gagawin namin doon, susukatin lang talaga ulit namin kung nasaan na tayo ngayon. Kung ano may maging result ng show na yon, magiging masaya kami lagi yan. Masaya kami lagi kasi di naman kami natatalo eh. Kumbaga, every show meron tayong lessons na natututunan. Dami kong sinasabi, no? So, samahan nyo muna kami, mag-workout muna kami. Let's go! So, kasama na natin itong mga good boys na to. Mga big boy. Sabi ko posing siya ng parang big boy natin dito. Maglalaro sa Taiwan, no? Lalaro ng Taiwan yan. Pag-cheer natin yan, no? Philippines! Philippines!
Kung ko lang sa Taiwan this time, palipapin na ako pag na-call out.
Yan! Kasi last time na-call out.
Na-call out, pero pinabayaan na doon sa gilid.
Oh, yan. Pero this time, ano na?
Siguro lalagay ako sa gitna this time.
Wait lang. Tulungan kita, Bads. Sa'yo na. 1. Doon ka tingin. Taas. Neutral mo lang ulo mo. Yan. Let's go! Okay, drop. Magmano ka muna sa tita natin. Mano ka. Let's go! Yun guys, nandito na kami sa Guam. Nakalad lang namin ang oras ngayon dito is 5:48. Rekta na to, dire-diretso na to, going to athlete check-in. Let's go!
Hi guys, we're here in Guam.
Actually guys, ang sabi kasi nila dito, Philippines to Guam, yun daw usually yung flight nila 10, and then darating ka dito ng 5 o'clock. And then dahil merong mga activity ngayon, 1 day out ng mga athletes, magkakaroon ng press conference yung mga judges, then magkakaroon ng athletes check-in mamaya and briefing, and then bukas na yung show day. Na-excite ako. Ano ba yung first thing na gagawin natin ngayong araw na to? Yun ang tanong. Dahil kadarating lang din namin dito at dire-diretso na to, kaya samahan nyo kami sa vlog na to dahil nandito tayo sa Guam ngayon, and let's go! guys, so ngayon is show day and we're ready dahil 9:30 AM na. Start yung show nila dito ng 3 PM and sobrang exciting kasi ang dami ding lalaro kahit first time nilang mag-conduct ng WNBF show dito. So kita-kits tayo, let's go! Grabe guys, napakadaming tao. Sobrang solid ng event na to kasi nag-unite lahat ng mga fitness community dito. Tignan nyo itong mga to guys. Napaka-solid.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic.
Yun guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa WNBF Guam and kasama natin yung WNBF Singapore President. And bro, can you please introduce?
My name is Edmund. I'm the President for WNBF Singapore. Right, so today it's my honor to be with Poi, WNBF Pro from the Philippines. Right, so right now we are at WNBF Guam, Guam Fit Expo here, and I would like to invite all Filipino friends to Singapore for the upcoming The Natural Elite Showdown 2024 that will take place on the 25th and 26th October. Right, so right now our registration is still ongoing, so the registration will close on the 1st October. Right, so we are more than welcome any international athletes, yourself, right, to come over to Singapore for the first show. Right, catch you guys there.
So yun guys, so kailangan nating makapunta sa Singapore dahil nagsisimula pa lang yung WNBF Singapore and I'm sure yung ginagawa ng mga WNBF Asia eh talagang pinagtutulungan nila para maging quality talaga yung mga shows dito sa Asia. Kaya guys, see you there.
Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough defeat. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You were not as tough though. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough defeat. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough defeat. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me.
Grabe yung show kahapon. Napakaganda and sobrang nakakatuwa kasi lahat ng mga sports or any fitness-related sports ay nag-unite kahapon. So, lahat ng mga powerlifter, mga cyclists, and etc. ay mga nandun. Yung mga supplement store, any related sports na nandun. Meron pang Cairo na nag-boot doon. May mga strongman, may mga arm wrestler. Diba? Nakakatuwa. Sana sa Pilipinas din one day magkaroon tayo ng gano'n. Diba? Nakaka-inspire yung WNBF Guam kasi first time pa lang nilang gawin dito yung show na WNBF. Pero napaka-solid na agad. Kumbaga, next level na agad yung pinakita nito. And also, thanks to Jeff and Gabe dahil na-experience namin yung Guam culture na napaka-solid. Napaka-mabait ng mga tao, napaka-hospitable ng mga tao. And pagdating mo dito talaga, yung energy nila talaga, makakamdam mo talaga na welcoming talaga sila. Kaya hindi ka maiilang na kumausap ng mga ibang tao dito kasi most likely, kung hindi sila Pinoy, kung American sila, mabait sila eh. Kaya, yun, solid yung experience talaga. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. And, ang magagawin natin ngayon? Mag-marine activity daw kami ngayon and samahan nyo kami kung anong mangyayari ngayong araw na to bago umuwi. And, guys, last night na namin kakaon kami ng dinner kami lahat dito, last dinner dito and then mamaya kasi is 3 AM dapat ata nasa airport namin pauwi ng Pinas. Grabe, sunod yung mukha ko. Uy, nasusunog siya bro.
Bye-bye.